Would-be gunman taken out in Berry Hill. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police in Manchester are probing Thursday night's fatal stabbing of an alleged gunman by his victim in Berry Hill near Newport in Manchester. According to the police, about 8:45 p.m., two men, one armed with a knife and the other with a firearm, approached a group of people in a shop and robbed the shop owner and the employees of electronic devices and cash. It is understood that the man who was armed with the gun forced the shop owner to his house, which is in close proximity to the shop, and demanded more money. The shop owner, however, reportedly resisted and a struggle ensued. The robber was subsequently stabbed. He was taken to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The deceased man is of brown complexion and about 183 centimeters or 6 feet tall, and is believed to be in his late 30s. He was clad in a blue shirt, black jeans pants and a brown Clark shoes. His identity has not yet been released. His accomplice reportedly escaped. Police said that they seized several items at the scene, including one ratchet knife and a Taurus 9mm pistol with 9mm rounds in the weapon. Links 007 TV will track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.